Hi guys, we're going to show you how to install your Luxe6 mattress into your Revel or your Jayco, your Integra. So when you get the mattress, you're going to have a top label. That's the side that the memory foam is on. So you can just go ahead and remove that. And then a couple things you want to look at. You want to make sure that your Canyon Adventure Vans tag is on the top. And you'll see that inside the mattress, you're going to have another liner in here, and you can actually see through the liner that the blue side is the memory foam, so you want to make sure that that's on top. But we tend to check those before we ship them out, so you're good to go there. You're probably going to need a second person, because what you want to do, let's do this. You're going to taco this in, so push toward me, Dre. You're going to go in between your seat belts. And that's going to be your first step to getting your mattress in. Okay. So once your mattress is in, you're going to raise your bed back up. And then your bolsters, you'll see that there's a difference. The driver's side has the two larger pieces. And then on the passenger side, you have a smaller side piece. So one of them will be labeled so that you know what you're dealing with. Okay, in with your bolsters, you're going to get 4 pieces of double-sided adhesive Velcro and a prep tab, alcohol prep tab. So you're just gonna clean your edges so you get a nice clean place to adhere. And then you're gonna peel the hook side. Actually, you're gonna pull these off, peel the hook side, and you're gonna put them on just about an inch in from your, where it separates. Okay, same thing. It's 2 per bolster. Hook side, that's the rough side. And 1 inch. And this is just going to help hold. And then you can put your pieces back on. The reason I take them off is just so you can get a nice, clean, flat connection. And then just put your loop back on. And then once you get it up in there, you're just going to lift it up. You're gonna peel this off and then line it up, and then you're gonna put that down and snap it in. You want to make sure that where you set it is where it's gonna go, so just slightly off the edge. Okay, like that. And then you will snap in. You can do this with it already snapped in. Basically, you would just be lifting the bolster up and putting the Velcro on. Okay, so this mattress is lowered all the way into the stock position, and you can see now that it's not level with the bolster. You have probably a little over an inch. So what you want to do is you want to eyeball the mattress to raise to match the top of the bolster. And we suggest that you raise it just slightly above, maybe like a 1/2 inch, because the memory foam is going to sink in differently than the foam on the bolster. The bolsters are made of foundation foam. The mattress is made of 3 inches of foundation foam and 3 inches of memory foam. So you're gonna get a lot more sink on the center mattress than you would on the bolsters. So we recommend coming up a little bit higher than your bolsters so that when you lay on it, then you match the height, okay? So Dre, can you hit it up just slightly? A little more, right there. Okay, so you can see too that the gap closes as you come up higher, because you'll see the lulls of the van narrow. So as your mattress rises, your gaps are going to close. You'll still have a little bit there, but it's not much. Okay, so as you can see here, the mattress is just slightly higher than the bolster, because again, your memory foam is going to sink a lot more than the bolster height. So once you've applied your Velcro to both sides, just confirm that you have a little bit of overhang on either bolster. And then we're going to lower it. If the bolsters catch, you'll just have to manually kind of push them back, but you're clear. And you'll see again, it's up just a little bit because putting weight onto it, you'll see that the mattress compresses down, and now I have a pretty level base. Even with my mattress being a little bit higher, my head is at the same level as my back. Okay? Okay. That is how you install a Revel mattress.